Good day, this is Aaron from ES Help, a division of I'm Your Contractor. Welcome to part 2 of demo number 1, the Workspace walkthrough. So these blocks you see on your homepage of your Workspace are referred to as application portals or just portals for short. There are 3 different ways to view or access these portals and the workbenches that are found within them. Let's explore these quickly. The first being these blocks or portals. The second is by clicking on the hamburger icon on the left here, allowing it to expand the options, or click again to display a minimal sidebar. And last but not least, the hover list selector option. We are going to enter the Enterprise Master Data portal. This portal is all about capturing and recording your company information, assets, trading partners, employees, and more. We will click on the Enterprise Baseline Profile Workbench, which will now display workbooks that are relevant to that specific workbench. If we go to the Organization Bio Workbook, the system will open it, displaying the various sheets that compile each specific form within this workbook. This is where all the information seen on your public-facing profile is drawn from if you were curious. You can modify, remove, and add information about your business in this workbook or through the Update Profile button on the website. It will automatically update the information in the other instance and vice versa in real time. If you change the information here or through the update button, it will automatically change in each instance. The sales consultant has already completed the main, contact details, registration and ownership, positioning, and contacts sheet. You are able to change any of the information at any time. The other forms are available for you to complete at your leisure. There are additional tools available for you to utilize, and these are assets and infrastructure. This is where you are able to keep a cloud-based record of all your company assets. Trading partners is where the system and you will keep a record of anyone you have done and currently are doing business with. Customers, suppliers, agents, and service providers, just to name a few. Human resources. This refers to the group of individuals who make up the workforce of the organization. Use this workbook to capture, view, and maintain your organization's human resource records. Record individual information pertaining to each member that makes up the workforce. Structures and agreements are where all the contracts are kept, or at least a record of these. Departmental contracts, roles and responsibilities within the organization, and positions of employment. The market offering is where you set up the services or products that you provide to customers linked with individual offering details, reference numbers, and category selections, which will make compiling quotations in the future much more efficient. The control workbench, as you'll notice, is where you can define certain control data like selection lists, options, categories, and so on. These become your predefined list of options from which the user must pick an appropriate option when they complete a form. For example, like male and female, or predefined colors red, white, and blue, and if you want another color, say yellow, you would add it as an option using the relevant workbook provided by the Portal Control Workbench. In this case, we are of course not concerned with gender or color, but rather with creating and controlling service or product catalogs, price lists, customer and supplier classes, and so on. When we review the CRM system, you'll see this principle in action. The maintenance of your profile from the backend master data portal also allows shortcuts for doing maintenance when you are on the site. And to top it all, you can link this to your Facebook or LinkedIn accounts.